welcome stand up. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. Eat healthy food, play some indoor games. Don't eat junk foods and do not go outside to play. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. So please be sincere and do all the homework I just gave you. So today I am going to teach you science chapter 6. Leaves of a plant is going on. So we are on page number 68 and discussing food for the plant. So I have already told you that green plants use carbon dioxide, water and light to for the as a raw material for the preparation of food. So how they used to get carbon dioxide? So plants is first. So they plants taking carbon dioxide with the help of stomata. Stomata. Plants take water from the soil through the roots to the all part of the stem. And how they observe light? So chlorophyll, I have already taught you. Chlorophyll is a substance, green substance that absorbs the sunlight. So these three things, with the help of these three raw material, plants make food. Okay, leaves make food for the plant. Now the process by which green leaves use light to convert carbon dioxide and water into food is called photosynthesis. The process by which green leaves use light to convert carbon dioxide and water into food is called photosynthesis. Photo mean light. Okay, photo mean light. And synthesis means putting together. Okay, synthesis means, so the process by which green leaves, okay, that chlorophyll that use light, after use light they convert carbon dioxide and water into food, which is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Okay. Now the products of photosynthesis are glucose, oxygens and water vapor. Glucose is the food of the plant, oxygen and water vapor are removed, water vapor are removed from the plant. Yes, the products means product which they use. Products they use that product, like for making curd. What do you need? You need milk. So for making food, plants need the product of photosynthesis are glucose, oxygen and water vapor. See, in this oxygen, glucose is the food of the plant. Okay, glucose is the food of the plant. Glucose work as the food of the plant. Glucose is the food of the plant, and oxygen and water vapor are removed from the plant. That's why, see, when leaves makes food for the plant, okay, so they take carbon dioxide, they take water, and they take light. After making the food, after making the food, glucose, oxygen, and water vapor product of photosynthesis. So glucose becomes the food of the plant, and oxygen and water vapor are removed from the plant. So that oxygen we human and animals used to take in, and after that again we exhale carbon dioxide. So that carbon dioxide absorbed by the plant for making food. After making the food, they remove oxygen. So that's why we are able to breathe. That's why it said, if we plant every day, if we are planting every day a tree or plant, then there will be no you can say no there will be more oxygen will be in our environment. But nowadays what happened, due to the pollution, okay, pollution from your vehicle, pollution from your factory, whatever the oxygens are there, they usually get damaged. So that's why plants are cutting by the person for making factories, for making house. That's why if you will plant a tree and plant every day, there will be more oxygen will be in our environment. If more oxygen will be there, then we can easily we can breathe that oxygen and we can survive on the earth. But after 10 years, 20 years, if we not plant a tree or plant, then what will happen? We have to use oxygen masks for protecting us, for breathing. So that's why I told, I'm telling you that every day you should plant a tree. Next topic is how food is used and stored in the plant. How food is used, and stored in the how food is used and stored in the plants. So the glucose produced as food after photosynthesis is the sent to different parts of the plant through the stem. Some of this food is used by plant to grow, and the rest is stored in the different parts of the plant in the form of starch. Okay, it says the glucose is formed. The glucose produced. The glucose produced as food after photosynthesis, okay, and photosynthesis is sent to different parts of the plant through the stem. Okay, because after preparation, glucose, oxygen and water vapor is there. Oxygen and water vapor are removed,